machine is, like a game, guess my rule. So I'm going to give you a hint. Right now I'm going to have you come up with the rule, and I'm going to give you a little example in a second. We're going to use our back room. You're going to go in through the in door and out through the output door. And you're going to show us a few examples of a function and what is happening in that function. So you've all probably sometimes like seen, function boxes that look like this a little bit, like something happens and it spits something out at the end, right? Something happens, like a number 1 goes in and a number 3 comes out. What could be happening in this function box? Could be adding 2. Anybody got a different thing?
Multiplying by 3.
Could be tripling, multiplying by 3. There's some obvious ones. Would you need a second example to know for sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need another example. Maybe I could say, what if 4 went in and 6 came out? Which one is it then? So you could tell for sure. So let's watch. I'm going to actually take 2 of you. You guys sneak in that output door right there. We can use this one. So it looks like I had an input right here. Is it on the floor? Do you see an input sign on the floor?
They've gone away.
It would be good if we had an input sign for some of these pictures. We'll make an input sign. Okay, Amaden, could you also sneak in the output door?
Get it, Amaden.
Okay, we'll take this one up so we can at least see it. So we have an input. So, I'm going to demonstrate. This is a function. I'm going to walk in the input. How many am I? I am 1. 1 is going in the input. And
3, 4.
what came out? 4. Wow, 1 went in, 4 went out. So now you got to be thinking, what's going on in that function box? Do we need to give you another? What's one thing it could be doing? Could be adding 3. What's another thing it could be doing? Multiplying by 4. Anything else you can think of? There's a bunch more I can think of, but we'll just start with that. Now this time to do another example, I'm going to send in, you going, you going, you going, you going, you going, you going. I'm going to need to send in, it wasn't counted. We'll do, you can send that. Let's send you 2 in this time. Okay, so we're going to send 2 people in. So let's see, what did we do before? We sent 1 person in. When 1 person went in, how many came out? 4 came out. So now we're actually going to send 2 people in. And we're going to see how many come out. Okay? So 2 are going in. I'm just going to sneak in and give some directions because I forgot how many I sent in. Okay, you guys ready? 1. Go on out, Julia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, Narnia.
Oh no. Okay, so how many just came out?
8. So,
Does that tell us anything?
multiplied by 4.
So what is our function? This is a pretty easy function. What would you say? Turn around for 1 sec. If 1 goes in and 4 comes out, 2 goes in and 8 comes out, what happens if any number goes in?
By 4.
We're just multiplying it by 4. 4x, right? So when we start talking about function notation, we actually just did this a month or 2 ago for some of you guys, right? You guys came up with some great ones. They were like squaring and subtracting too. But I think the idea is nice and clear.